How to create a public profile on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile, then go on the profile option that is located up above. As you click on the profile option, then first of all you have to go to settings. As you go to settings, you have to scroll down. Under the title of who can, you have to check that the three titles contact me, send me notification, and view my story are all converted to everyone. If they are not, you can click on them and change them to everyone. Then you have to go back and then scroll down, and now there will be an option of create a public profile. Now click on that. Now follow the steps by continuing. Now it will create your public profile. This is how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.